Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while since I last uploaded, but here we are with another video. Basically what this video is going to be is part 2 of a day in the life of an insurance agent. However, I am going to film all week. Today is Monday, but of course when you watch this video it's probably not going to be Monday, but for reference today's Monday, and I'm going to film basically my entire week just because different things are happening throughout the week for me, and I definitely want to include that in that video. So it won't be a week in a life per se, just because I'm not going to be filming every single day, because then this video would be like hours long probably. So I'm just going to take small parts throughout the week and include them in this video. That way you can see a week in a life. And if you haven't seen part 1, I do recommend that you go back and watch it. I'll link it right here. That way you can go ahead and watch that video. What I'm going to go ahead and do right now is take you along with me to my appointment. It is at 11:30. I have about 40 minutes to spare. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. And again, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment. I would really appreciate that. And finally, let me know what kind of videos you want to see, because really this channel, I just upload whatever. So if you have specific videos in mind, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what videos you want to see. Let's go ahead and get started. Oh, all right guys, so caffeine is always a must. What I'm gonna do right now is kind of the non-fun stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and include it anyways. I don't make calls to my carriers very often. I say I call them maybe every other week, maybe every other 2 weeks, and definitely when there's a problem with a policy. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and call one carrier just because I know I need to. And then usually you would call them just to make sure that your policies with them are in good order. If there's any outstanding requirements that might need to be done, then you can go ahead and take care of that with them as well. A lot of times I also have been calling carriers lately to get illustrations.
America, please listen carefully as our menu options have changed. If you know your party's extension, press 9.
Ortega, and my agent number is going to be 3. Okay, so my dog. Okay, so perfect. That's as easy as that is. Sometimes calling carriers takes about 45 minutes for them to pick up. Those are the worst. But sometimes they pick up within a couple minutes, so that was pretty great. Now what I'm gonna do is basically I have a list of people that I need to contact right now just to ensure for appointments that are gonna happen later this week. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Until I take you guys to my appointment, I will see you guys in a little bit. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and go to my appointment, but I did want to just touch base. I'm gonna be driving while I film this part, so bear with me. I did want to talk really quickly about basically marketing yourself. So just depending, and I guess it's kind of different depending if you're an agent who's part of an IMO. In that case, you're probably a broker. Or you're an agent who is captive to one company, or you are doing everything on your own. Just depending, you know, what your situation is. How you get your leads can be stressful. How you get your leads can cost money. How you get your leads can be time consuming. How you get your leads can be very strategic. So this one that I'm going to right now, I got this lead by basically just continuing to advertise myself on my social media. I know that you typically, a lot of times on your social media, it's just like your friends and your family and just random people who you decide to connect with, right? Okay, like I was trying to say, but I was driving and I didn't want to keep talking. Oh, I really need to pee. Oh, this is a no-brainer. If you have your own business, I highly recommend to use social media. It can, you know, there's so many different things that might prevent us from doing so, like caring what other people might think, or not wanting to come off as annoying because you post it every single day, whatever, you know. But I think after a while, you know, people's opinions of course aren't gonna matter, and I see it as whether it helps you or not, you're continuously planting seeds in your followers' mind that this is what you do. So down the road, if they ever like need that help, they know that, oh, I remember that, you know, Leah always posts about insurance. Let me go ahead and contact her because you planted that seed. So that's how I see it. And that's how I finished this appointment. So I actually just finished my appointment right now, and yes, I was able to help him and I got him on a policy. So right now, I'm gonna go home and eat, and then we'll continue the day. So I wasn't going to include this or film this part, but it's part of the day. It's part of being an agent, so, or a broker, I should correct. I literally am just so frustrated with one of my carriers because I have been going back and forth with that carrier. Carrier meaning company. And it's just have been giving me headaches for 2 months now. 2 months. Literally, I did an application for somebody 2 months ago, and for these past 2 months, I have been in cahoots. I don't even know if that's the right word. I have been in connection with that carrier because for some reason, every single time there seems to be a problem, a new problem with the application. And I'm just like, why? What like how are there new problems being existing like for 2 months now? Like where are they getting all these problems from? So it's just been a really huge headache. So I had it today because I got an email saying that there was yet another issue with the application. So I had it. It's been a headache, and it's been a day, and it's barely 2. Like, I just can't right now. Like, I just can't. Hey guys, this is day 2. Let's get to it. What is up, you guys? Okay, so this is, like I said, day 2. I really like this setup. I feel very important, even though I'm just in the living room. Okay, so I do want to just pop in real quick. This video, ew, my dog just farted and I can smell it. Anyways, before you molested the air with your fumes. Okay, so I did want to say this video took a turn for what I thought it was going to be. As you saw earlier in the video, I wanted to really showcase a week in the insurance industry, but honestly, it stopped in one day because I got so overwhelmed with a lot of different things, and I just put filming to the side. That season of your life where everything is just like overwhelmness. That's what it's been feeling like for like a past couple months. Well, last week I just got hit with a lot of chargebacks, and if you're not familiar with what chargebacks are, it's basically debt. But you know, I've only been an insurance agent or broker for 8 months, and it's been a definite roller coaster for me personally, and I can honestly say I have not given 100% consistently. I've given 100%, but not like day after day after day after day after day. And I know that I would probably be so much further if I gave it that all the time. It's definitely its own ballpark, which I enjoy sometimes. I enjoy the journey. Sometimes I'm just like, nope, I ain't doing it no more. And that's all I wanted to discuss because it's part of the journey, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and take off to my event, and I will tag you along with that and probably talk some more. Okay guys, I don't really like to film and drive, but I did want to quickly just tell you what I'm doing. So I'm going to an event right now that I booked, and basically I just wanted to talk about how I got these events. This is my 3rd one. I'll talk about my first 2 experiences, how I got about them, and then what I do. So basically, what I visited was rehab centers, adult daycares, adult living facilities, adult apartments, like anything in that area. And basically I asked for the activities director, and I said, hey, my name is Leah, yada yada yada, this is what I do, this is what I offer. Is it okay if, you know, sometime during this week or next week, if I can set up a table here and just offer my services to either your residents, your employees, anybody who's interested in information. I would love to be able to assist and kind of just provide that information to anybody who needs it. And you know, they work with you, they see where they can fit you in. and they'll either book you or they won't. And this is my third one. The first two that I did, unfortunately the first two were just not great. I mean, the first one, I had a lot of people come up to me, and I actually had seven inquiries of like, ooh, like what can I get, how much is it, give me more information. I had 7 of those, and all of them ghosted me. I contacted them over and over. I was annoying, and nothing. And then the second one was just like nobody was interested. And I'm not going to throw this idea down the toilet just yet. So yeah, I'll update you that. I will update you on how this one goes after I'm done. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Hi guys, okay, so I do want to apologize. I literally have had the longest day today, so I look very gross right now. But this is the end of my video. I don't remember where I cut off. I never showed you clips of the event, so I'm just gonna kind of give you a rundown. I'm so sorry that all of these videos that I do, it's literally just me talking the entire time. The employees at each event have been my main focus. A lot of them have 401ks, a lot of them have IRAs that I can definitely, you know, roll over into annuity or roll over into an IUL. A 401k versus an IUL is just, you can't compare those two. So I really like that I'm able to see individuals who have, you know, 401ks, who have all these retirement plannings, that they're not educated on other vehicles that they can utilize for their finances, and kind of the cons and pros of each vehicle, and see which one would better suit them. But honestly guys, if you have a 401k out there, please reach out to me. I guarantee you that I want to be able to just educate you on why a 401k is maybe not the best vehicle for your assets, for your retirement planning, for your money. Let me just give you some information about an IUL versus a 401k. It's just information. These are free appointments, free information, free knowledge that I can give to you. And knowledge is power. Anybody out there who has any type of question about your money, about financial advice, about insurance, and how insurance policies are actually a very great way to invest your money in for the long run, I encourage you to reach out to me. My information again is down below. Now, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Keep a lookout for my next video. That one's gonna definitely be a lot more interesting than me just talking to a camera. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also tag somebody, send this video to somebody who needs insurance, who needs help with their 401ks, who needs help with their 403bs, who needs any type of information, financial information. Again guys, I don't just do this alone. I have a full team above and behind me that allows me to really educate, you know, the person that I'm sitting in front of with the best information possible. I don't do it alone. I never will answer a question that I don't know. I will always have somebody on the phone with me helping you out as well. So guys, I promise you, I'm here to put you in the best position no matter what it is you're looking for. So again, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you guys like it, and I hope you guys look forward to the next video. I will talk to you guys soon. All right, bye.